Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And this week we are doing a request, and it is a Picot cast on. Here is an up close of what that looks like. It's very cute. It is very fancy. It's also very simple. It looks harder than it actually is. So this is the knitting version of a crocheted Picot, and it's kind of similar. The cool thing about this cast on, this edging, is you can really customize this. I personally like to use a long tail cast on for this, but if you like a knitted cast on, if you like any old cast on, you can use that. But I personally like to use a long tail cast on because I think it just makes it look prettier, a little bit more tidy. And that's what I'm going to show you. Okay. And you can also customize this. Oftentimes your pattern will give you instructions on how to do this, because you can make the picots larger or smaller based on how many stitches you cast on and bind off, which this is going to be based on 4. So let's go. And we'll start by casting on 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's your step 1. Now you're going to turn it back. Okay. And we are going to bind off 2 stitches. Okay. 1. And 2. Now this stitch right here, you're going to put it back on your needle. And that's it. You're just going to do that again and again and again. Let's do that one more time. Okay. My tail, we're going to cast on 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to turn it, and we are going to bind off 2. There's a 1. And there's 2. Now this stitch that's left on your needle, you're going to put it back onto your right hand needle. And that is how you make a Picot cast on. This is what the front looks like. And then this is what your back will look like. Okay. That is how you do a Picot cast on. It's quite simple. Now, I have seen some patterns say to cast on 5 and bind off 2, or bind off 3. If you cast on like 6 and bind off 3, then there will be more there, more space here. If you cast on 5 and bind off 2, there'll be 2 stitches in between each picot, which means your picots will be farther apart. If you want them really close together, you can cast off 3 instead of 2, and then there'll be 1 right next to the other. It's really customizable. If this is used in a pattern, they will tell you how to do it. They should be telling you in their abbreviations or in their notes how they want you to do this, because this can be done in so many ways. But that is how you do a Picot cast on. If this was helpful for you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with somebody else that you think would love it. And happy knitting!